What's up, everybody? Michael Silva here, episode 64 of Live Day Trading. Let's get into it. All right, we are in the middle of the trading day. It's 11:39 a.m. I haven't placed any trades today. I've been kind of just keeping an eye. It's been real choppy weather out there. For anybody that's trading and has been watching the charts, they know that it has been choppy. What we got here is an interesting little ascending triangle on Boeing on the 5-minute time frame. I'm keeping an eye, I'm tracking it because I wouldn't mind capturing some shares down here at the bottom of this trend line to potentially catch more of a bounce to the upside. Now, it is an overall bearish context. You have the 200-day period moving average coming downwards. So it very well might break down to the downside, but what's nice about picking up shares here to go long at the very bottom is because if it does break the trend line, I can just simply reverse the position and then trade the momentum heading downwards from a short-sided entry. So let's go ahead and see if it can reach that point. If it doesn't, then obviously I'm not going to even be in a trade and I probably won't post this video, but time will tell. Time will tell, and if we get a breakout of this, basically 121, 121, that big round number, we can see more of a burst to the upside and potentially even come back to hit the 200 period moving average, which would be a nice gain right there. So, a couple ways I'm thinking about playing this, but time will tell. So, let's just wait and see if it can come back to this trend line, or if we see a break above it, and then I'll enter in. So I went ahead and bought in 50 shares at market. This is a small position, but I plan on scaling in more depending on where it goes. But I want to take it pretty easy at first. My entry was at 120.11, which is right here. The SPY, the reason why I really did pick up some shares right there is because I did notice the SPY bounce from the 50 period moving average on the 5-minute time frame. So I'm just keeping a close eye on that. Okay, I am sorry. I took a phone call there. I am currently working on a couple things for my real job, and just thought this was a good little setup. So I did pick up some shares, like I said, 50 shares down here, and then I picked up another 100 to make it 150 shares at the bottom of this trend line, and then it popped up to the top, and I just sold out. Quick little $95 profit. Now, obviously, it could break out and I could make more, but the thing is, this big rubber band right here, this one kind of like had me like, you know what, I'm just going to take my profits for the day, because that was a very short trade. Not much time was necessary, and still overall, like, it's in bearish context, so I got to keep that in mind, right? That 200-day period moving average. Always remember the context of the chart. You might see a very bullish pattern setup similar to this, but the context of the chart can really make it go the opposite way. So when I just saw this bump up from the bottom and I re-entered in more trades, when it started coming up, kind of extending up here to this area of resistance, I thought it'd be a good time to sell that position because it could easily get rejected. And as you can see, what's happening right now is the rejection now back potentially to the bottom of the trend line. And then also, if I look over at the SPY chart, it does look like it could be potentially forming a wolf candle or a reverse or a reversal candle, but it is still too early to tell. However, I'm out, $95 profit. That's what I'm talking about. Not too shabby. Shabba-labba ding dong, bada bing boom bomb. Here we go. I will see you on the next trading video.